Welcome to another episode of the NewsRamp Health, Fitness, and Wellness Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, excited to bring you today's top stories. At newsramp.com, we gather the latest business news from the best sources, ensuring you stay updated and engaged. Before we begin, a quick reminder. This podcast features AI-assisted production and voices, but the news we present is genuine, with full stories available on newsramp.com. Today is Tuesday morning, July 22nd, 2025, and we've curated a fantastic selection of health, fitness, and wellness news just for you. So whether you're commuting, working out, or just relaxing, stay tuned and let's dive right in. Let's kick things off with our first headline.
State Roundup. Maryland defends permit for offshore wind farm. What happened to Moore's support for reparations bill? The daring audit that sparked a reckoning over deaths in police custody. Maryland Department of the Environment is standing by the permit issued for a wind farm off Ocean City despite a challenge from the EPA. Governor Wes Moore's support for a reparations bill is in question after whispers suggest a change of heart. Maryland State Police are investigating the death of a 30-year-old inmate at North Branch Correctional Institution. An audit revealed that deaths in police custody should have been ruled homicides. Maryland continues to invest in electric school buses despite previous failures. President Trump's administration will release funds for before and after school programs benefiting 25,000 Maryland school children. Vice Admiral Yvette Davids faced challenges during her tenure at the U.S. Naval Academy. A lawsuit against Montgomery County Public Schools by an Islamic group can proceed. Beto O'Rourke urges Baltimore Democrats to mobilize for the 2026 midterms. Resistance rooted in fear and prejudice hinders efforts to expand drug treatment services in West Baltimore. FBI agent Eduardo Valdivia of Gaithersburg was found guilty of sex offenses after posing as a tattoo artist to lure young women.
CLL Society awards research projects advancing CLL/SLL care. CLL Society, the leading authority for chronic lymphocytic leukemia and small lymphocytic lymphoma patients, has announced the recipients of its 2025 Research Program Awards. This year, 3 outstanding researchers have been honored across key categories, including Integrative Medicine, Clinical Scholar, and Young Investigator Awards. Dr. Nancy Musoki from Cleveland Clinic Cancer Institute received the Integrative Medicine Award for her project on curcumin and physical activity's impact on CLL/SLL progression. Dr. Matthew S. Davids from Dana-Farber Cancer Institute was honored with the Clinical Scholar Award for his work on optimizing glofitamab combination therapy in Richter's transformation. Dr. Quinlan Sievers from Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer Center received the Young Investigator Award for his research on mechanisms of resistance to BTK inhibitors. These awards aim to improve outcomes and quality of life for patients with CLL and SLL through innovative research projects.
Shoulder Innovations announces closing of a $40 million convertible notes financing. Shoulder Innovations, a medical technology company, has announced the closing of a $40 million convertible notes financing by new investor Fidelity Management and Research Company. This funding will primarily support the commercialization of their advanced implant systems for shoulder arthroplasty, as well as new product development. The Inset glenoid technology, the foundation for their implant systems, aims to reduce stress at the bone-implant interface and improve stability. CEO Rob Ball stated that this investment will help advance their mission to redefine shoulder arthroplasty and deliver best-in-class outcomes for patients and specialists. Shoulder Innovations' ecosystem is designed to improve preoperative planning, implant design, and procedural efficiency to benefit all stakeholders in the care chain.
Safety, teamwork, and communication drive patient trust and loyalty. Press Ganey released Patient Experience 2025, a report based on 10.5 million patient encounters, highlighting the importance of safety, teamwork, and communication in healthcare. Organizations that prioritize safety and embed empathy into daily practices earn patient trust and outperform peers. Patient experience scores are rising, driven by better communication and access. Patients with unplanned admissions rate experience is lower, emphasizing the need for clearer communication. Effective teamwork boosts patient trust, while safety and equity play key roles in loyalty. Top-performing health systems focus on reliability and use data to anticipate risks. Post-discharge communication can significantly improve patient experience. To learn more, visit pressganey.com/px2825. Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Health, Fitness, and Wellness Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, newsdirect.com, and blockchainwire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.